This is incredible. Basically straight from the airport to here. Yeah. This is nice. This is why I come out here. Well, here I am. This is Josh with Tennessee Bavarian. I am back in Salt Lake City. I'm heading up into Little Cottonwood Canyon right now. Gonna hike Cardiff Pass. It's another day one excursion here in the Wasatch Mountains. I just landed fresh from Nashville, Tennessee. Landed about 11 o'clock. It is 2:30 right now, and I'm at Alta. Gonna do a solo hike, the Cardiff Pass trail. Though solo hiking up here on a Monday leaves me kind of alone. Not a lot of people. Smoke your love till it's vapor. Ride on forever till the sky breaks. You and me, a wild horse chase. This road was made for runaways, for runaways. A million stars in my eyes. Forever your satellite. Your name illuminated in my mind. So you try me on, come pick me up, and we'll ride on into the dark. I've been on all trails for like the past 12 hours trying to decide where I wanted to hike. And finally, I just picked this one. It's up here at Alta. Now, you can tell this is definitely a ski area in the winter. You can hear Alta down there doing a little work on their slopes. Wow, these views, check this out. Y'all might not know this, but I love the Wasatch Mountains. I've been here once or twice. No, actually, I come out here about 4 or 5 times a year now. And I'm trying to define why. Why do I come out here so much? It's a release. It's a reset. To me, there's something about being up here at high altitude. Just the way the oxygen is, the way the color and light reflects through it. It's different. I was just out here about a month and a half ago. I did 23 miles over the course of like 3 days. up here compared to where I was this morning in Franklin, Tennessee. Man, this is incredible. Basically straight from the airport to here. Yeah. It's nice. This is why I come out here.
Turn my head to the sun. Feel the water rush through me. Think of how far I've fallen. I think of how far we've come from our days on the shore, with one foot in the cold, to when we drift to the low tide, with the waves as they roll. She'd do anything just to keep my head above water. My head above water.
All right, had to do some scrambling there for a minute. Took a wrong turn, a little shortcut where the trail got funky. No harm, no foul. The views up here are incredible, absolutely incredible. One good thing about doing a solo hike here is you're so close to the ski resorts that you actually got pretty decent cell service up here.
Can you keep my head above water?
Made it. What a beautiful day here in Utah. What a beautiful day. I decided to come here yesterday, last night actually, at 9 o'clock at night I booked this trip because I just needed to get in the Wasatch. Holy crap. Man, this is incredible. Absolutely incredible.